guys, it's Thomas da Choo Choo Train here. Today we're going to make some content. Yay! Step 1 on how to make some content. Get a camera. What? There's your camera. Now go film something and then upload it to the YouTubes. I'm gonna go over that in step 3. Here's step 3. Did you make your video for your content for your YouTube channel? No? Okay, then just make some content right now. Now I'm waiting. Oh, good, you finished. Okay. Now, how to upload things to the YouTubes. So you get video? Cool. Now, all you gotta do is press upload. And then, it'll be done. Thank you for watching this video. I'd like to give a thanks to all my Patreon supporters and my Twitch people. Because I have Twitch. Also, check me on YouTube. Because